any investment. So Steve is going to go into some of the details. What we like to do is we want people to kind of start getting an idea of, so if you looked at this for the first time, what would you acquire the property for? What's the potential of acquiring the property? Like how much money would it take to buy this property? Rehab, what's it going to be put into it based on the exit strategy? Then what would be the exit strategy based on, well, this is going to be determine what we're going to put into it. And then what's the ARV? So the ARV is the value of the property once it's repaired, okay? So we like for everybody to, kind of get an idea. So when you tour the property, you look around. If you had the address over, ahead of time, of course we have smartphones, so we can go in there and we can kind of do a little bit of research. But we like for people to try to start applying